Tron. It's not the engine, it's the fuel. Tron is a multifunctional fuel additive that uses enzyme technology. Tron cures and prevents ethanol fuel problems. Tron stabilizes gas for up to 2 years and helps rejuvenate old fuel. Engines powered by Tron treated fuel start easily and run smoothly with fewer emissions and better fuel economy. Tron restores octane to old substandard fuel. Tron disperses water throughout fuel to help prevent phase separation. Tron's enzyme technology eliminates and prevents gum, carbon, and varnish deposits to keep engines running clean and strong. Tron's enzyme formula enhances combustion for a more complete fuel burn, resulting in maximum power and fuel efficiency in all engines. Tron. It's not the engine, it's the fuel. Tron is a multifunctional fuel additive based on enzyme technology. Tron cures ethanol problems, removes water, removes carbon deposits, improves fuel economy, increases power, and stabilizes today's fuels. Tron is more than just a stabilizer. Use Tron all year long for maximum benefit in spring, summer, fall, and winter. What makes Tron enzyme technology so different? Enzymes are nature's Pac-Man. They are biocatalysts that create chemical reactions that can modify molecular structures. Enzymes create millions of reactions per second. They structurally modify molecules but do not attach to them. They can create multiple reactions again and again without being consumed in the process. There are 4 primary problems identified with using ethanol-blended fuel. Let's first take a look at fuel stability. Gasoline is made of many different hydrocarbon molecules. Some of these molecules, called free radicals, are naturally unstable and are a primary cause of fuel degradation. Free radicals have an unpaired electron. If left untreated, over time, free radicals can attract oxygen. This process is called oxidation. Tron enzymes stabilize fuel by interacting with these free radicals. This helps prevent fuel oxidation, but without using traditional chemical additives that may reduce combustion. Independent fuel stability tests show that Tron outperforms traditional chemical stabilizers in real-world conditions, not just in a lab. Tron stabilizes fuel for up to 2 years, keeping it fresh and within spec. Debris in fuel is another problem caused by ethanol. This includes the formation of gum and varnish. As fuel ages, it evaporates and becomes stale. Gum and varnish begin to form. This reduces fuel quality and lowers octane. Tron enzymes break apart soft gums, varnish, and debris. This improves octane in old, substandard, or non-spec fuel. Tron outperforms traditional stabilizers in laboratory tests for gum and varnish formation. Competitor-treated fuel had up to 15 times more gum formation than fuel treated with Tron in just 4 weeks. Tron keeps fuel fresh and the fuel system free of gum and varnish for up to 2 years. One of the most common problems associated with ethanol fuel is the propensity to attract water. Left untreated, this can lead to phase separation. Ethanol fuel can naturally absorb about 0.5% water. After that, the water forms into clusters and falls to the bottom of the tank, taking ethanol with it. This leaves the upper layer of fuel without enough octane for proper engine operation. Tron enzymes break apart these water clusters by reducing surface tension. This allows water to be vaporized safely during engine operation and without the use of performance-robbing emulsifier chemicals. Ethanol has 1/3 less stored energy than gasoline. This, in rapid degradation, can result in power loss and poor combustion. Tron removes and prevents carbon deposits, allowing for maximum power and efficiency. As fuel evaporates, it becomes stale. The hydrocarbons form together in clusters. This reduces surface area for oxygen to react during combustion. Tron breaks apart large stale fuel clusters into smaller particles, allowing more oxygen to react by increasing surface area. Smaller fuel particles are more completely atomized, which lowers the activation energy needed to create perfect combustion. This results in maximum power, prevents carbon deposits, and significantly reduces harmful emissions and wasted fuel. An EPA-certified testing lab demonstrated a 55% reduction in unburned hydrocarbons, a 37% reduction in deadly carbon monoxide, and a 44% reduction in harmful nitrogen oxides. Use Tron with every fill for increased power, increased economy, and reduced emissions. Tron. It's not the engine, it's the fuel.